this is gonna happen again, or it's happened before. Both. It's fantasy enactment, ritual, fetishization, iconography. This is his vision. Her body is a paraphilic love map,
How's that?
an attachment of physical lust to fantasies and practices forbidden by society.
You get that from one of your books?
I did. Her knees are abraded, rock burns on her back, cold sores, gumline recession, bad teeth. There's decent odds she was a prost. He might not have known her, but this idea goes way back with him.
You got a chapter in one of those books on Jump to Conclusions? You attach an assumption to a piece of evidence. You start to bend the narrative to support it. Prejudice yourself.
Wait and see on the ID.
Alright.
This kind of thing does not happen in a vacuum. I guarantee this wasn't his first. It's too specific.